Hey, welcome to the AZ Cruisers YouTube channel. If you guys didn't already know and you're new to the channel, I do have a 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser FCJ80 Toyota Land Cruiser. Did I say that twice? Anyways, I do not have very good gas mileage. It's just only around 13 miles per gallon combined. So I shop at Costco a lot. I'm a Costco member. I have a black card. So I just decided to make a video on what I've learned from shopping at Costco and buying gas there. So I want to share with you in this video 5 tips / tricks that you can use when you get gas at Costco. So I hope you enjoy the video. So the first reason you should be getting gas at Costco is, number one, is the price. Well, your typical Costco gas station is going to be 20% cheaper than any gas station around in your town, according to Gas Buddy. While not every Costco has a gas station attached to it, if it does, you would be very smart to use it regularly. Not only will it save you money, but the Kirkland branded gas is also considered a top tier fuel. The second thing I'm going to share with you is the best time to get gas at Costco. While, if you get there on the weekends or like during the day, like after 10 o'clock when the store usually opens, most Costco's in my area open around 10 a.m. And that's when I see the most people lining up at the Costco gas stations. So my advice is the best time to go is when they open. And they typically open at 6 a.m. So between 6 to 9 is when I've seen the fewest amount of people, because the Costco, like I said, doesn't open until 10 a.m. in my area. And most of them close around 9:30 on the weekdays. So for my tip to you guys is, go anywhere between 6 a.m. to 9 in the morning or before they close is the best time to get gas at Costco. So the third tip I want to share with you guys is, how do you fill up at Costco gas stations? Well, normally you go to a regular gas station, QT, Circle K, just to name a few, Shell, Chevron. Most people pull up on, wherever your gas pump is to pump your gas in, on the left side or the right side, right? That's the side you pull up at the gas station, right? To pump your gas. Well, at Costco, it doesn't really matter because they have the long fuel hoses. So you can actually wrap around your whole car and fill up your gas tank. Well, I don't know if people don't realize this or they don't know. Maybe they just don't feel like it's right. But that's another way you want to save time, because usually people always line up on the side of their gas tank. So FYI, if you go to Costco, just fill up on any side because they got the long fuel hose. The fourth tip I want to share with you about Costco gas is the lights. Basically get red or green light, basically like a traffic light. Red means it's not vacant, and green means there's a vacancy, so that means you can pull up. So I'm probably show you in this video right here. There's a red and green light. So red means none of the pumps are available. When it turns green, that means there's a pump available. So depending on which Costco you go to, I've seen ones with like 2 pumps per side. I've seen ones with 4 or 6. So that way you can identify which pump is open. So it'll have it in order, like the first pump will be at the very top. Second will be right behind it. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or whatever, how many pumps you got at that Costco gas station per side. So that's another tip. If you have never been to a Costco gas station, just keep that in mind. If you see a green pump open on the light, that means you're good to go and pump your gas. So the fifth thing I want to share with you about Costco gas is, basically the gas is cheaper than other places because think of it like the $1.50 hot dog combo, which is famous worldwide, or the $5 rotisserie chicken, which is still $5 for a whole chicken at Costco. So all three of these things are, they don't really create a profit for Costco, but they get you into going to Costco. So in a way, they're making you come to Costco to maybe entice you to buy something else. Because, I tell you, whenever I go to Costco, I spend at least $100. So, their business practices are definitely working for me. I don't know about you guys, but so, they want you to get gas at Costco, obviously, because the prices are usually, 18 cents cheaper than anywhere else. So after you fill up, you're going to be like, okay, I'm a little tired. I'm a little hungry. Let me go inside and get something to eat. So you end up going to the food court, right? you get a hot dog combo, $1.50, which, you know, I do most of the time. And then I'm just like, okay, do I have groceries for the week? And then you end up buying, you know, $100, $200 worth of groceries. And you're like, okay, I just came here to get gas, but I mean, I guess I could get groceries too. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you find it informative and entertaining. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below if you got any more tips or, you know, ideas about what you do at Costco gas station in particular, and I'll try to answer that or maybe make another video. So stay tuned for more videos. I got some more Costco content coming up and some more adventures, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, the AZ Cruiser out.